You know how we turn up, I run with the boss, she get caught with a burner. Come to my crib, but you know I return her. If they catch you lacking, that might be a murder. You just a lamb, come in hand with a real one. I'm rocking with bosses, you know we make man. But talking crazy, you know that we drill 'em. Empty shoe boxes, you know how we fill 'em. Put up with a beam in the SRT, I cop a new whip, now she all on me. Tryna act black, but I'm white as can be. I'm white, little baby, no one harder than me. Make the wrong move, now it's RIP. Flexing these bands, all hard for you to see. Keep getting checks like an MVP. Ball like
QC artist Lil Baby is one of the biggest stars in rap for the past few years. So it was only a matter of time until a few copycats popped out. And Keep It Real TV learned that there is a new Caucasian rapper buzzing on social media who sound exactly like Lil Baby. The white rapper is from South Carolina. He goes by the name Little Man Jay. The white rapper has turned into a viral sensation, largely due to the comparison to Lil Baby he's received. Little Man Jay has acknowledged the comparisons in the past, but he doubled down on his new single, Cap Freestyle, that he released on YouTube. Let's get it.
Watch off, it's your boy J Chess, you know the rest. Keep It Real TV. We're back online.
We're off of YouTube jail. And this video is about this new white rapper, Swagger Jack and Lil Baby. Sounded just like him.
This nigga sound like Lil Baby more than Lil Baby himself. Hey yo.
You sound just like Yellow Baby, not Yellow Baby, but Lil Baby. You just can't say the N-word, you dig? Now, I'm about to show you a whole bunch of people that have been swagger jacking over the years, and it's getting out of hand. Now this is a New Orleans rapper named King that tried to be like Young Thug when he first came out. Here's New York rapper Dusty Lil Kane think he pop smoke. Here's Action Bronson and try to be like Ghostface Killer, sound just like the nigga. You got the fake Special Ed Drake over there, look just like him.
Last but not least, this the fake Little Dirt named Drake Yo. I forgot the goddamn nigga name, but you get my drift. You know what I'm saying? So like nowadays, everybody want to be somebody else. They can't find themselves. You know what I'm saying? They haven't found themselves.
So what do you do when you haven't found yourself? You copycat. You trying to be like someone else.
And sources got a hold of Lil Baby, asked him what do he feel about this white rapper. He said he ain't nothing but a culture vulture. So obviously, Lil Baby don't like this guy.
But most likely he's going to go viral. He's going to get a lot of subscribers. He might get famous, but it's not going to last too long. You know what I'm saying? After you get famous, you have to do something else. Like 21 Savage or 22 Savage.
You know, 22 Savage is making more money than the original 21 Savage off of YouTube. Let's get it.